this question, they actually tell you what the substitution is. So let's make the substitution. Before I do that, let me actually find the dx first, which is 2 secant squared theta d theta. Okay, so we get x cubed will be 8. 2 to the power of 3 is 8 tangent cubic theta. Dx will be another 2 secant squared theta d theta. Okay, and the x squared will be 4 4, what am I saying, tangent squared theta plus 4. Okay, so we can factor out the 4 in the square root. Okay, if you factor out, you get 2, and inside we get tangent squared theta plus 1. Okay, here we get actually, you know what, yeah, actually, let me write that down. 16 okay. Alright, so let's reduce and you get 8. I'm going to put it out in front of the integral sign. Okay, and the bottom here, this is actually this right here, tangent squared theta plus 1 is equal to secant squared theta. So square root of that is going to give you just secant. Okay, we have tangent cubic theta, secant squared theta on top. So what happens now is we can reduce that with this. Okay, so we're left with tangent cubic theta, secant theta d theta. Okay, so with all that work, now we turn it into a trig integral question. Okay, so what's the next step? So if you let u equal to tangent, so we're going to do this by substitution. If you let u equal to tangent, we need a secant squared, but we don't have that here. If you let secant of theta equal to u, then we need a secant times tangent. We don't have that here either. Okay, so let's do this. Let's leave one of the tangent. Let's try to change this form, and so I mean this. And let's turn that. Okay, let's turn that into secant, secant squared theta minus 1. So that's from this identity here. Okay. Okay, now let's consider secant of theta equal to u, right? And then we get secant of theta, if you differentiate, tangent of theta, d theta is equal to du. Okay, now secant theta times by tangent theta times by d theta is right there. Okay, right there. So it's 8 integral. You can replace the whole thing with du, and this right here can be replaced with u squared minus 1. So it's 8 1 over 3 u cubed minus u, okay, plus constant. Let's replace the u with secant. So let me multiply the 8 in. 8 over 3 secant cubic theta minus 8 secant of theta plus constant. Okay, so going back, right, we have we initially let x equal to 2 tangent of theta. 2 tangent of theta. This means tangent of theta is x over 2. So we get a right angle triangle like this. X over 2, which means this is going to be x squared plus 4 square root. There's my angle theta. So what is a secant of that theta? Secant is the reciprocal of cosine. So it's going to be square root of x squared plus 4, right? This over that. So I'm going to replace this where all the secants are. Square root of x squared plus 4 over 2. Alright, so we have 8 over 3 square root of x squared plus 4 over 2 cubed. Right, square root of x squared plus 4 over 2 plus c. Okay, so that will reduce, give you 4 over 3. And let's just leave that as x squared plus 4, maybe as a power of 3 over 2. Okay, that'll reduce to give you minus 4 square root of x squared plus 4, or you can say it's to the power of half. Okay, that's it.